I can set up a symmetry plane here. And I don't think I have any set up. Oh, I do have one set up. So let me actually remove that one, and I'll show you how that works. So with symmetry plane, we just click on that and we say, okay, what plane is in the center of the symmetrical location, like a mirror plane there. So I'll just say, okay, we've got a plane that's directly in the middle of this design. Let's just use the XZ plane. And the XZ plane, so that way it's symmetrical on this design, the design on this side compared to that side over there. And okay, easy enough. That's all you have to do for that. Then we can also, like I said, with the starting shape. Now that symmetry plane and starting shape are optional. So the starting shape here, we can use. I can turn back on the model components, turn back on that frame inside there. Let's turn that back on and say, okay, starting shape, and let's pick that. And we can use the topology optimization. There's some options down here whether you want to add or remove the material from that starting shape or just remove it fully, topology optimization there, and kind of influence the end design. So that's how we could do that. And those are completely optional. For this demo, I'm just showing this how you do it, but I don't have it actually on the outcomes.